Students, today we will discuss science midterm exam question papers answers. Okay, so question A is your MCQs. So in MCQs, first question was rayon is different from synthetic fiber because it is obtained from wood pulp. Wood pulp is an organic substance, right? So since rayon is obtained from wood pulp, that is why it is different from other synthetic fibers, because they are made from certain chemicals in the lab. Question 2 is polymer is a synthetic fiber made by joining repeated units of a chemical known as ester, right? Polyester name is given because of ester, right? That is why answer is B, ester. Acrylic fibers resemble wool, so A is the correct answer. The first true synthetic fiber is C, nylon. Question 5 is depending on their ability to withstand heat, there are two types of plastics. One is thermoplastic and another one is thermosetting plastic. So option C is the correct option. Property of metals that allows materials to be beaten into sheets is malleability. Due to this property, that is due to malleability in metals, they are able to be beaten into thin sheets. Which of the following features will help you to differentiate a plant cell from an animal cell? This is question 7. So its answer is cell wall. So option C, cell wall, is the correct answer. Because in animal cells, cell wall is not present, while in plant cells, cell wall is present. Question 8 is how many types of reproduction are there? So option B is correct. That is, two types of reproductions are there, sexual and asexual reproduction. Question 9 is reproduction by budding takes place in hydra. So option B is correct. Question 10 is animals exhibiting external fertilization in water produce a large number of gametes because option C is the correct answer, and the answer is to ensure better chance of fertilization. Okay, students, next question is fill in the blanks. So question A is most metals are hard and solid, but sodium, lithium and dash are soft and can be cut with a knife. So in dash we have to fill potassium, because sodium, lithium and potassium are the soft metals which are so soft that they can be cut with a knife. Okay. Dash question B is dash is a metal which exists in a liquid state at room temperature. So you all know that mercury is a metal which exists in a liquid state at room temperature. So mercury is the correct answer. Its formula is Hg. Amoeba reproduces by the method of binary fission, right? So in the blank space you will write binary fission. Question D is metals react with acids to produce dash gas. So we all know that when metals react with acids, they produce hydrogen gas, and the chemical formula for hydrogen is H2. Question E is highly reactive metals are at the top of the reactivity series. Now question C, which is very short answer questions. Question 1 is explain why some fibers are called synthetic fibers. It is because they are synthesized in lab using chemicals. Alright. Question 2 says metals can be beaten into thin sheets. What this property of metals is called? So answer is this property of metals is called malleability. Question 3 is complete the following equation. Iron plus copper sulfate will give you iron sulfate plus copper, because iron will displace copper from copper sulfate solution and form iron sulfate plus copper, because iron is more reactive than copper. This you can see in reactivity series. Question 4 is in which female reproductive organ does the embryo get embedded? Answer is uterus. Question 5 is write the following in correct order of their formation. Embryo, zygote, gamete, fetus. So correct order is gamete, then zygote, then embryo, and then fetus. Okay. Students, question D is short answer type 1 question. So question 1 is where are the chromosomes found in a cell, and we have to state their function. So answer is chromosomes are found in the nucleus of the cell. They are thread like in structure, and they carry genes. They carry genes and help in transfer of characteristics from parents to children or offsprings, right? Question 2 is how would the movement of an animal be different if the animal cell has a cell wall? So answer is it would be difficult. The movement will be difficult because the body of the animal cell becomes rigid because of the presence of cell wall. So the movement of the body of an animal will become difficult. Question 3 is what is the difference between the polymer structure of synthetic fibers and plastics, right? So in synthetic, answer is in synthetic fibers the polymer structure is linear, while in plastics it is either linear or cross-linked, right? Question E is short answer type questions. So in this, question 1 is explain the difference between the thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. So this answer you can find in your NCERT book exercise question number 6 page number 41. Okay, so from there you can see your answer. Question 2 is explain why sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene. Answer is they are highly reactive metals and react vigorously with oxygen present in the air and may cause fire. So to prevent this explosive reaction, they are kept in kerosene. Okay. Question 3 is, why is budding a form of asexual reproduction? Explain using diagram. So you can see the answer in practice question 9.1 in your supplementary book, page number 14. Thank you.